Hey everyone, this is Eastern NC Adventurer. I'm going for a bike ride today in North Carolina. It is 80 degrees today, so pretty excited, but it's very windy. But since I have an e-bike, it's not really a concern. I can pedal against the wind, no problem. Just wanted to show y'all where I'm at. I'm at Dinah's Landing. It's a boat ramp at Goose Creek State Park. Got some pretty Spanish moss back there. I'll be riding my Himiway Cobra, and take a look at the water today. It's definitely nice and breezy out here today. All right, let's get started.
You care, do you hear my prayer? Hey you, I'm with you, I see you, I hear you. Hey you, I'm with you, I miss you, I miss you. Hey you, see I told you so. Hey you, I'm ready to go. Hey you, now you better show. Hey you, no time to be slow. I do think you're here. There's nothing to fear. Hey you, I'm with you. I see you, I hear you. Hey you, I'm with you. I miss you. In the silence of my pain, you were there to shake some noise. When I cried, when I complained, you were there to bring me joy. Well, at least you tried, well, at least you shared. I'm with you for the ride, I'm just unprepared. We've come a long way, see how much we've grown. Let's make the best of today, despite the unknown.
What's up? I've just stopped for a little break. I had a phone video appointment to do, and just enjoying this gorgeous day. It is awesome. I found a little picnic shelter to sit under. It's good times. All right, now to do the second half of my ride.